Hey YouTube, this is We Play 20, and this is my little friend, my AK-47 model from Airsoft Store, Airsoft Megastore.com, and I'm going to try this out. 590 FPS on that can. Alright, let's look at it. Alright, so I hit it once or twice, or like 3 times. So, as you can see right here, it went through, came out this side, totally ripped the can. Now, let's see what it does at close range. Wow. As you can see, I have obviously ripped a lot of cans in half, and this one's no different. This is We Play 20, and this is my AK-47.